Hello. Today we're gonna look at how to add the fraction with difference with unlike denominators. Let's say we have a fraction 2/5 plus 1/3. We want to add this set of fractions that have different denominators, different bottom numbers. To add it, there's different ways to add this set of fractions, these types of fractions. The easiest way is called the butterfly way. What does that mean? We multiply the top number here by the bottom one here, and then we multiply the bottom one here by the top one here to make a times sign, something that looks like a times, and then we multiply the bottom number together. So let's go ahead and multiply. Let's multiply 2 times 3, 3 times 2, we have 6, yeah, we write it on top here, and then 5 times 1 is 5. And then we multiply the bottom number, 5 times 3 is 15. So we rewrite our new fraction as this one, the top one will be 6 out of 15, or 6 over 15, plus the new fraction 5 over 15. So it's like we are changing our fraction to the like fraction, the unlike fraction to the like fractions. So now we have 6 15 and then plus 5 15. We go ahead, we already know how to add a fraction with the like denominators. 6 plus 5 over 15. We're going to copy our bottom numbers, and then 6 plus 5 equals to 11 over 15. And we are done. This is how we add fractions with unlike denominators. Let's take a look at another example. Adding the fraction with unlike denominators. Let's say we have 3/7 plus 5 8. So the same process is going to be, we're going to take the same process. It's up here by this one, multiplications, and the bottom one here by this one, multiplication, and we multiply the bottom numbers together. So we go ahead and multiply 8 times 3, and we always write the answer on top here. This one goes here, and this one, multiplying this one, goes on top here. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is equals to 24, and then 7 times 5 equals 35. And then we multiply this one, 7 times 8 is equals to 42. Is equals to, 7 times 8 equals to 56. Is equals to 56. Then we add our new fraction that we have. We rewrite the fraction, we have 24 on top there, over the bottom number, 56. It's like we are changing the fraction, the unlike fraction, to like fraction. 35 over 56, same thing. We have the same bottom number now. Then we go ahead and add the top number, 24 plus 35. So we go ahead and start from the ones place. 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 2 plus 3 is 5. We have 59. So it is 59 over 56. So if you look at this fraction, you see that this type of fraction is improper fraction. The top number is so big than the bottom number. So we can change this number to the mixed number, but this is not in this lesson. We're going to look at how to add a fraction here. The next video is going to be how to change the improper fraction to the proper one. And we are done. 59 over 56. The subtracting, how to take away, how to minus one fraction from another one, goes the same way. Let's say we have 3/4 minus 1 6. 3/4 minus 1 6. Go ahead and multiply this one and this one and this one. So we do 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. And then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. We have our new fraction to be written here. 18 over the bottom number 24 minus, don't forget your sign. The sign here we're taking away, minus 4 over 24. We have the same bottom number now. So we can take away 18. Go ahead, write 18 minus 4 over 24. That equals to what? 18 minus 4 equals 14. 14 over 24. This is our answer to 3/4 minus 1/6. This is how we add and subtract the fraction with unlike denominators. Let's quickly have a look at the last example. The last example. Let's say we have 6, 9 minus 2, 7. 6 over 9 minus 6 minus 2 over 7. The same way, multiply the bottom and then this one like this, make it cross and multiply. 6 times 7, so 6 times 7 or 7 times 6 equals 42. And then 9 times 2, 9 times 2 equals 18, and 9 times 7 equals 63. Then we go ahead and add our new fraction. We have 42 there, 42 over 63 minus 18 over 63. We have the same bottom number now. This is a like fraction, so we can take away. We do 42 minus 18. Minus 18. What is the answer? 2 minus, start from here. 2 minus 8 is impossible. So we borrow from this 4. We mean 3 here, 12. 12 minus 8, we have 4. 3 minus 1, we have 2. 24. So our answer is got 24 over 63. And then we are done. This is the process we are going to be using when we want to add or subtract the fraction with unlike denominators. There's another steps and another way to add and subtract the fraction with unlike denominators. And then we are looking only one steps or one way today. And then this is the end of the video. And then the practice makes perfection. If you practice more, you get used to the math and you know it very well. Thank you for watching.